You are my warm place. You are my mad strike. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this beautiful rainbow look. I really hope you guys like it. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and apply some concealer. You can use anything you have, foundation, concealer, eye primer, whatever you guys might have, that will work. I'm using concealer here, so I'm just patting it into my color just to blend it out. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply some setting powder, just because if I have any fallout or anything, it won't ruin my foundation. I'm going to go ahead with the Makeupgeek Power Pigments. I'm going to use a yellow shade, and I'm going to pat this right in the inner part of the eye. Let me know if you guys want to see me do my whole face routine on my next video, because I don't want to keep doing the same thing over and over, so I decided that I would skip the foundation and just show you guys the eyes. The next color I'm applying is the orange shade, and I'll link everything down below for you guys. If you guys want to save some money, use prettygrace for some money off. I really appreciate you guys so much using my discount codes. So then I'm going to move on with the pink shadow next to the orange, and I'm just patting that color in. These power pigments are so easy to work with. Here I'm going to use the purple and the burgundy shadow. I did have a little issue with this, not because of the shadows itself. It's just that last time I used these, I actually used my brush wet. So I wet the shadow from the top and it got a little hard. It's easy to fix, it's just to scrape the top part, but I totally didn't do it. So yeah. Anyways, moving on, I'm going to go ahead and use the blue shadow and apply this right in the bottom lash line. And I'm using a pencil brush. All my brushes that I'm using are from Morphe. You can use my code as prettygrace as well. So I'm just using this pencil brush, and then I'm moving on to applying the green shadow from the same power pigments. Just applying this on top just to kind of blend that blue color. Then I'm moving on with the darker blue and applying this right in the outer corner. I just felt like it needed a little pop of something just to put the look, you know, look really nice. Then I'm just going back with the purple and just applying it again. Here I'm moving on to the highlight palette from Los Angeles, and I'm applying this right onto my brow bone and the inner corner. I'll list all the stuff that I use in the bottom for you guys, so you guys can definitely check them out with discount codes and everything. Don't worry about it if you missed it in the video. Alright, after that I'm just going to go ahead and apply these lashes. I believe these are some boho, it's called boho lashes. And then I'm using a Benefit highlighter brow. This is supposed to be to highlight the brow, but I use it in my waterline. I really like the color, so yeah. After that, I'm going to go ahead and use the Buxom mascara. I've been loving this mascara lately, so that's what I'm using in the video. And I'm just applying it to the top and bottom lashes. Alright, so just decided to go back with a little bit of the yellow and blend everything from the bottom lashes just to make it pop. I just felt like it needed to be blended a little bit. So going with the Los Angeles highlighter palette, I'm going to highlight my cheekbones. I didn't want to do that before the video. I wanted to show you guys how I did in the video, because highlight is my favorite part of the makeup look. It just brings me back to life. It just makes me happy to see highlighter on my cheeks. I like to over apply it because it just makes me happy. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite part of a routine in your makeup. Mine is highlight, definitely. And I'm just applying this everywhere that I really want. Then I'm gonna go with MAC's Japonesca, I think that's what it's called, Japanese Maple. Oh my god. And I'm going to apply this on my lip. It's a nude color, and basically that's it. If you guys do me a favor, please like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. I love you guys. Let me know what other looks you guys want to see. I hope you guys are staying safe. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.